Hello? Hello? You don't want to answer me? You don't want to talk to me?
Hey guys, Terrence here, your computer concierge with Computers Plus in Acworth, Georgia. Don't let me forget about my friends in Carsville of Computers Plus, and also we're located in Cherokee Street for Simple Electronic Recycling. So what? School is back in session. Don't you not notice more traffic out? It's like, oh, school. And what comes to school? Computers that may need to be tweaked, may need to be, worked on a little bit. Just to let you guys know, we're open 6 days a week, Monday through Saturday from 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. Visit us on the website at computersplususa.com. I'm Terrence, your computer concierge. And like I said, don't forget about Carsville at 900 North Tennessee Street. Go say hi to Jeremy and Dan. And they're getting some more new people down there because a lot of things are happening in Carsville. I was so surprised at that 100 backpack giveaway. Were you guys not? I mean, it's all about community. And I was so just, being able to help out your community when you can, do that whenever you possibly can. And so it was awesome to see 100 families get 100 backpacks courtesy of Computers Plus in Carsville, Georgia. So hey, man, to those people down there, they really, Jeremy, they've all put a lot of work into it. So I was so happy to see the pictures. I've been on vacation, so I've been away for a little bit, but I'm back in action and got a little suntan. Can you notice my sun tan? Okay, maybe not. But I was down in Florida, had a great time with the family, and so we're back in school. Everyone's back in school. Now's the perfect time to check on that laptop, check on that desktop, make sure it gets optimized, make sure you have an antivirus, and make sure it's running where it needs to run. I mean, it's running. Laptops and desktops now, they made a lot of changes over the time, and now solid state hard drives increase the speed of your laptop and your desktop. So if you want more information on that, talk to your local IT professional or call here at Computers Plus at 770-693-0769. And our rent-to-own program is still available for some people that may need more flexibility in their budget. You can get more information on that at computersplususa.com. Look on the right-hand side where it says purchase options and how you can get qualified. We work with 5 different lenders, all ready to get you into that technology that you need to improve your life. I'm Terrence, your computer concierge with Computers Plus. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a good day.